Hello students, welcome to our page. If you are new to our page, please like, subscribe and share our page, and also press the bell icon so you will get the updates in the future. Now today we are going to consider the next question number 2 from the exercise 8.2. In the previous lecture we had considered the example number 1, which is a word example. Now second is also going to be word example. Now it is very simple. Again we have to calculate the percentage decrease. That type of example is there. Previous example we had taken percentage increase. Here percentage decrease is there. Now on Sunday 845 people went to the zoo. So in particular city one zoo is there where 845 people went to that zoo on Sunday, because Sunday is a holiday, so that's why most of the people went to that zoo. How many people went to that zoo? 845 people. Then on Monday, now as there was no holiday on Monday, there is no holiday on Monday, so that's why only 169 people went to that zoo. Only 169 people went to that zoo. So here we have to calculate what is the percentage decrease. So I told you that here we have to consider percentage decrease. So what is the percent decrease in the people visiting that zoo on Monday? So that percent decrease we have to calculate. Now for that purpose we should calculate how many peoples were decreased, exactly what is the number, and how to calculate that. We have two numbers. The first number is that peoples who are visiting on Sunday, and second number is that peoples who are visiting on Monday. So just subtract the value of Monday from the Sunday, then we are going to get the next, that means the number of peoples who are decreased. So here suppose we are going to subtract it, so therefore decrease in number of people 845 minus 169. So by performing this subtraction we are going to get the answer, which is for the decrease in number of people on Monday. So exact number we are going to get. Now the next thing we have to calculate the percent decrease. Now we obtain the number, but we have to calculate it in a percent. So that's why we have to multiply it by 100. So we have to multiply that ratio with 100, then we are going to get the percent decrease. So in order to calculate the percent decrease, we have to take the formula decrease in number of the people, then denominator will be number of people who went to zoo on Sunday into 100. That will be the percent decrease, because we have to compare it with Sunday. So that's why number of people decreased is on numerator, and with whom we are comparing, that is on denominator. So therefore we are getting it like decrease in number of people into 100 divided by number of people who went to zoo on Sunday. Now just put down the value. The number of people decreased is 676, so just put down that value. Then 100 is going to remain as it is. Then number of people went to that zoo on Sunday, that is 845. So we are getting it 676 into 100, so that we are getting. And here actually we are going to divide it in parts. So first we are going to divide 100 by 5. So 25 is 100, then 845. So 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30, and 5 9s are 45. Then 676 upon 169, so that is going to be 4, because if we are going to divide it by 13 twice, then we are going to get 4 as a remainder, as a quotient. Then we are getting the final product 4 into 20, which is equals to 80%. So 80% is the final percentage decrease. So here how you are going to calculate this division? 676 divided by 13. This is the first division. Okay, so 13 5s are 65, remainder is 2, then 13 2s are 52. Again here actually 169 is there, so again here 13 1s are 13, 13 4s are 52. So we are getting 4 into 20, which is 80%. So here 80% is the percent decrease in people which are visiting on Monday to that particular zoo. So here is the answer. So in this way we can calculate the percent decrease also. In the last case we had considered percent increase, from that we had calculated value, and here value is given, from that we had calculated the percent decrease. So here this is the question number 2. So I hope you understand this example. So thanks for watching the video. If you are new to our page, then please like, subscribe and share our page, and also press the bell icon so you will get the updates in the future. So again, thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.